Chiquinha, chiquinha.
Go check out the room.
Chiquinha.
Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and then also hit the that little bell. That means you're gonna get notified of other videos that I do. I'm in Chongqing, and actually one of the things that's interesting about this bigger city is people cut in line everywhere. So they have all these guardrails just to try to get people a little bit more orderly and then stay in line. And I've been experiencing that since the airport, just kind of non-stop people trying to cut in line and just, you know, whatever they can do to jump in front of you. Reminds me a lot of Korea 1990s, kind of feels like people who aren't so used to trains and order and lines and things like that. So anyways, kind of my introduction to something. Pretty cool looking city though, as far as I can tell from the airport, from the so I don't know, we'll see a lot more Chongqing soon. The Chongqing train, actually this was not too crowded. We went from the airport, it was super crowded. People playing video games and yep, welcome to Chongqing. So first impression, so a lot of tall buildings in Chongqing. And some interesting, trying to get some Chinese. So we're gonna go in and see what the city's all about. And even from the train window I can see there's a lot of, it's really mountainous, so just kind of hills and trees. So yeah, it's going to be kind of like a giant Pittsburgh, I think. Okay, kind of like Pittsburgh, it's like a big three rivers kind of look. And actually it's like a spitting image. But this is going into the main peninsula and we're going to be getting off here pretty soon. And this is going to be pretty cool looking, I think. Okay, so we're coming into the downtown area of Chongqing. Okay, we're starting to see kind of cool stuff. So yeah. Okay. I'll show you the skyline. This is just the pictures, but wow, it's really beautiful. So yeah, this is kind of like the Pittsburgh of the world, like times 10 amount of people. Okay, so we just came out of the train station and that's a pretty cool looking complex right here. I don't know what all this is, but we're gonna go check it out and see. All right. Okay, so it looks like you got some pretty cool stuff everywhere. So just gonna walk and see. I guess everybody, this must be a really popular place in the evening. There's like a lot of places to get hot pot, spicy Sichuan food. Yeah, it's kind of this city's gonna be really interesting. It's like one of the biggest cities in the world and it's pretty complex. I like it. You got all these tables everywhere. So I think they put the hot pot in the middle there. Came in the heart of Chongqing and then just got a room here. Let's put the camera out the window to see. There's a bunch of temples down there, so I was just gonna show you that. And yeah, lots of tall buildings everywhere in Chongqing. It'll be pretty. I just booked for 3 nights because it looks like it's gonna be a pretty cool city.
Chiquinha.